In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Temu's support system to initiate a return and refund process. This is a straightforward yet invaluable skill to have if you ever need to manage an order that didn't go quite as expected. Whether it was the wrong product, a defective item, or simply a change of heart, understanding how to navigate this process can save you time and effort. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Temu website. Open your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and type in Temu's URL. It's always good practice to check the URL to ensure you're visiting the official website to avoid scams. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by their engaging interface filled with various options and features to explore. But today, we're zeroing in on getting your refund sorted. Next, we're going to find the support section on the website. This is typically located at the top or bottom navigation bar. If you're having trouble finding it, look for common sections like Help or Customer Service, as they often lead to the support area. Once you've located the support section, you'll see a variety of categories that help guide you through different types of inquiries. Here, you're going to click on Return and Refund. This section is specifically designed to assist customers with refund requests and provide information on their return policies. This is where the magic happens for refunds. As you click through to Return and Refund, you'll be directed to a page that offers detailed instructions and guidelines on how to proceed with your return. Here, you will find all the necessary steps and information to commence the refund process tailored to your specific needs. Make sure you have your order numbers and any other relevant details readily available, as you'll likely need them to complete the request. The instructions will guide you through any forms you might need to fill out and the documentation required for a successful refund claim. It's always a good idea to read through the return policy carefully to understand the timeframes and conditions that may apply to your return. Once you've completed all the necessary steps and have submitted your request, you're essentially done. All that's left is to wait for confirmation from Temu regarding the status of your refund. They might contact you via email or through your account on their website. Keep an eye out for any communications to ensure your refund is processed smoothly. In wrapping up, navigating to Temu's support section to initiate a return and refund is a crucial process that every shopper should know. While the steps are user-friendly and intuitive, paying close attention to details will ensure a seamless experience. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide helps make your return process as effortless as possible. See you in the next video.